Hey guys, welcome back in the channel BIMTech. I'm back again with a new topic for you guys. So today's topic is dynamic block system in AutoCAD. Are you really excited? Okay, let's start. My dear friends, you might have worked in AutoCAD in the block system, right? Suppose we have 10 similar kind of objects in our drawing and we want to shift them to a new location. So we are not supposed to do the donkey's work. What do I mean by that? I'm not supposed to select each one of them one by one and putting to different locations. No. But what I'm gonna do is I will make a block of them. Okay. Will drop all of them into a single block. I will create a block and move them together to a new location. Right. This is the magic of block system. Now the topic of today's video is block dynamic block system. Say for example we are using 10 different symbols in our legend. Okay, we have right direction symbol, signage for right direction, left direction, up direction, down direction. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I will make a single entity. Okay, any one of out of these four directions. Okay, and I will add some visibility parameters, visibility states, and that symbol will be changeable or modifiable. Okay, that symbol will be modifiable. Let me explain in another words. Say for example I have to create four different symbols: left symbol, right, up and down. So what I'm going to do is I will create only a single symbol, that is the right direction. Okay, I will show the direction to the right and make mention over there right. I'll create a block of that. We'll go to the block editor and then I'm gonna go to the visibility state. Visibility states, I will pick up the visibility parameter. Okay. Now again, I'll go to the visibility state. Therein, I'll be renaming my existing entity's name. I can rename. Okay. After completing that one, I'll be moving towards the visibility states again. So therein also I can add a new parameter that could be the left symbol. Okay, what I'm gonna do is I will add a new over there, make a new selection, new name. I will give a new name for that entity or object, right? And then hide all the items. Okay, I will check the term hide all the items below and then click OK. When I'll go back to the screen, so the previous symbols will be disappeared. Now I'll go to my parent file and copy the different direction, the left direction from there, and will paste into the block editor at the same place, right? So this will add a new parameter, visibility parameter in my block, right? Now when again I'll go to the visibility states, I will found there will be two options. Okay, one will be the right direction, another will be the left direction. So when I'm gonna click on the right direction, it will show me the right direction arrow, and when I will click on the left direction arrow, it will show me the left direction. Okay, so this is all about the dynamic block system, my dear friends. I hope you have enjoyed and you have found this video useful. Okay, I will request you, please do follow and subscribe my channel BIMTech. Also follow my Facebook group Bimosphere. Do hit the like button after watching this small but informative video. I'm Barviz Khan signing out until we meet again.